Hello students, welcome to Shore of Sir's classes. You can reach us at www.shoreofsirclasses.com or call us or WhatsApp us in case of any queries or clarifications at 9874822756 or 9836793076. You can also email us at shoreofsirclasses@gmail.com. So moving on to the questions we will be solving some BCA questions. So moving on, we have question number 7 in hand. The binary number 110101111.110 in base 2 is equivalent to, so these are the four options given to us, and checking the options we can see that there are basically three bases in which we have to convert these base 2. So those are octal, hexadecimal and decimal. So taking the number, we have 110, then we have 1011111.110. This is in base 2. So we know that in order to convert it to octal, we will take groups of 3. So this will be basically, we will make in the right hand side, we will make groups of 3. So this will be a group, this will be another group, and this will be another group. So in order to make it a group of 3, we will add 0 in front, and for the numbers or the digits after the decimal point, again we will make a group of 3. And so this corresponds to, this one here corresponds to 011. We know that this is 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, and this is 2 to the power 2. So this will be basically 3, because this is 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So this is basically equals to 3. So this portion corresponds to 3. This portion is similarly here, this is 010010. So this will be basically 2. This portion, this will give us 7, and this will give us 6. So the number in octal or base 8 will be 327.6 base 8. So checking the options, we will see that option number A and B both have 327.6 in base 8. So we can successfully eliminate option number C and option number D, because the base 8 is 327.6, and so any of the bases among 16 and 10 will do, because both are different for these options. But we will do the whole question. So this is the number again. I am writing the number again. This is 1101011.110 in base 2. So in order to convert it to now base 16, because we now need to convert it to hexadecimal, so we will take groups of 4 here. So this is the first group of 4, this is the second group of 4, and then we have here, now here after the decimal point we have 3 digits. So in order to make it a group of 4, we will add a 0 after it. So now 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, these are the phase values or the weights given to these digits. So for the first case, that is the 011, the block of 0111. So here the value will be 2 to the power 2, 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So this will be basically 011. So this is 7. This will be equal to 1101. So this is 8 plus 4, that is 12, plus 1, that is 13. Now what is 13? We know that in hexadecimal or base 16, the numbers are represented, that is the numbers above 9 are represented as A, B, C, D, E, and this is A corresponds to 10, that is 10 we will get by 8 plus 2, so 1010. This is 1011. This is 1100. This is 1101. This is 1110. And next we have F. So this is basically A, B, C, D, E and F, and F will correspond to 1111. So 1101 is D, that is in hexadecimal will correspond to D, and this part will correspond to 1100. So this is equals to this part. Let's check the number first. We have 110. Now in the options it is given as 6, so I think this is C actually. So the option will be D7.C, because 1100 will correspond to C, and in base 16 this will be D7.C. so the option given is incorrect, so this is actually C. Now base 10 conversion is basically nothing but just putting the weights. So I'm gonna write here this value will correspond to 2 to the power 0, this is to 2 to the power 1, this is to 2 to the power 2, similarly these 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 7. So this will correspond to 2 to the power 7, and here this will correspond to 2 to the power -1, this will correspond to 2 to the power -2, and this will correspond to 2 to the power -3. So basically we will have to add like 1 into 2 to the power 7 plus 1 into 2 to the power 6, this corresponds to 2 to the power 6, and plus 0 into 2 to the power 5 for this one, and similarly we will have to go on, and at the end we will have 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power -1 plus 1 into 2 to the power -2 plus 0 into 2 to the power -3. So this will come out as 215.75 in base 10. So the option will be option number A, which we could have told from the base 8 and base 16 interpretation alone. So the answer will be option number A. Thank you.